Have you ever imagined the freedom of driving without worrying about getting a speeding ticket? I'll show you the concealed radar laser system we completed on this Ferrari 812 GTS. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that are outlined in pink that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We 3D scanned the bumper, CAD designed, and 3D printed parts for the laser jammers to mount behind the mesh for a seamless look. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, our setup for the front and rear of the 812 will jam all laser guns used by law enforcement. The front and rear radar antennas are mounted behind the bumpers to fabricated brackets and will alert you when there are radar threats ahead and behind. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers mounted above the license plate, discreetly behind housings. The fabricated housings were CAD designed, and they eliminate the need for modifying the bumper when routing the wires. The setup provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The dash area was 3D scanned to CAD design and 3D print a part that the display controller would mount into for a clean factory finish. Everything was designed where we did not have to modify the vehicle in any way. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you get alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain your speed.
Dragon Eye. Frank.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.